onto our heels. Bring both legs out in front of us. Yeah, like a Dandasana. And we'll take a moment and bring the hands by our side for our Dandasana. Just kind of drop our shoulders as we're literally changing kind of her perspective, her atmosphere, everything. We're going to give her a moment for her pelvis to get nice and grounded. And we're going to experience a few forward folds here. So as you inhale, breathe the arms overhead. As you exhale, hinge and forward. And I'm just going to give her this kind of assist, I should call it. You'll notice Patricia has the outside edges of her feet. That's a long way to go if you just started. If the forward folds are newer to you, you can put a bolster under your belly. You can also take your shins or your knees or whatever is available. But she just happens to be able to have long hamstrings today. And I'm giving her a good assist so she's able to really get far into there. And when you inhale, breathe yourself up. Maybe take the outside edges of the feet or take the right hand to the left wrist and push. Dangerous big toes for 1, 2, 3. Our breath is really strong, really good. 4, 5. On the inhale, breathe yourself up. And let's go into YACEP A. So as you bring the right knee to the chest, open it to the side about 90 degrees. And as you inhale, you can bring the arms up and take a little rotation to the left as you lay the left navel over the left, or the navel rather, over the left leg. And just going to start here, I'm just going to ground her from the side and give her a little rotation here where it feels good. For 1, breathe in, breathe out. 2, 3, 4, and this is where I deviate a little bit instead of going from one side to the other. I'm just going to keep her on this side. You'll see what I mean in a minute. So as you inhale, breathe yourself up, Patricia, and just bring this knee up and come into Marichyasana A. So that on the left hand foot, or difference between your foot, yeah, there you go, tuck down and around. I'll have you lock up and think chin towards me. For 1, 2, 3. This will be the only Marichyasana we do, just for a matter of time.